update on the bathroom. I just finished doing all the details on the floor. So the floor is completely done. This cardboard's down because we've been painting. And the crown mold is completed. Base molding is completed. And just kind of give you a look around. We decided we're going to change that fixture because it's ugly. So Nancy didn't have the heart to tell me that when I was putting it up there, but when I said it, she chimed right in and agreed. And we just finished the closet too. So here, let me get a little back out a little bit so you can see what that looks like. So there's the closet. And we've still got to paint the doors and put the new hardware on. I ordered new hinges and we already have new handles and stuff for the doors. So yeah, that's about it. It's coming close. Tomorrow, the toilet goes in. So that's gonna be an awesome thing. And then, of course, the vanity, you already saw that. So that should be wrapping this up pretty soon. I've still got to caulk the bathtub. So I've still got all the masking on the bathtub just to make sure nothing happens to it. And I've got all my tools on the plywood that's sitting on there. So just a couple little, maybe an hour's worth of work caulking that. And then I'll have to touch up the paint around the edges of it where the caulk goes. So anyway, that's it. Just wanted to give you an update. Okay, big moment here. We're winding down the finishing of the bathroom, and today I'm going to be reinstalling the toilet. This is the same toilet that was in here. There's nothing wrong with it. It's an American Standard toilet. But what I did do is I had it out back and I used CLR, which is calcium and lime remover. And I cleaned all the passageways out of it because it's got 20 years worth of lime buildup in it. But anyway, we're all ready to go. We've got the new donut. We've got all new toilet parts, even including a handle and that little all-in-one kit here. Hopefully that's all gonna go together well. We've got a new hose to feed water to it, and the new valve isn't on there yet, but I have it and I'm gonna put it on after the toilet's installed. I'll have to turn off the water to do that. So I'll probably do a time lapse of me installing the toilet, and so that's coming right up next. So yay, there you have it. We have two options for when you need to use the facilities now. I like the kit, it came out good. The only thing I didn't like is that the flush handle is plastic, but it still looks nice, so that's okay. We can live with that. Yeah, job finished. Now it's time to put the vanity in.